So we are lifting out today finally. We've got to go and sort a few things before we go. We've got to unplug the electric. We want to put some fresh water in the toilet and fill up a jug of fresh water as well so that we can put fresh water through the raw water system. We're going to go and start getting stuff together. We've got to drive around the corner and wait in a waiting area and then we'll lift it out. So yeah, can you go get ready? Bryn's just doing engine checks before we leave. How's it all looking?
So far, so good.
Checking the oil. What else are you checking?
There's the water.
Oil and water.
Yeah. Checking belt tension as well, and just overall just checking the engine before we light up that there's nothing seeming off.
That's good.
I write to you in poetry with words left on the shelf. Full of dust, you'll know it's me and from nobody else. Grab your seat at the fantasy parade. What I see is all inside my head. I come to you and hopefully I can
Have fun, guys. See you later.
me and all of my charades. I am not any less afraid. Am I hanging on too tight?
So we've had to put 2 lines on the back and 2 on the bow, and I think they're just going to grab the lines for us to keep us in the middle while they lift us out.
Yeah, just while we get like the straps in the right place and stuff.
But yes, hopefully it won't be too long.
I never wanna fall away or lose my sight. Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light. I never wanna fall away.
So we are still waiting. It's now 7 minutes past 9. They told us to be here for 8, so we bobbed around for about 40 minutes and then we rafted up to these really nice people from Berlin. We've rafted up to them and now they've gone in, so we've just took their space and yeah, we're just waiting here to be given the signal to go in the crane, so all's good. Bryn's just having some brekkie. Do you see anything that we need to do?
No, it's actually pretty good. Well,
Yeah.
no, it's not. It's better than pretty good. It's pretty awesome. I thought with the fouled prop a couple of times, being knocked around a couple of times, but no, it's brilliant. I'm well happy.
She's a sturdy girl. She's a sturdy girl.
And also the anodes have done exactly what they were meant to do. So we just need to, I mean, that's just crumbled in my finger, so that's stuff.
Does that need replacing?
That one needs replacing. Yeah, so this one, I could probably give it a clean, but I reckon it's
Needs
just
replacing.
replace it, yeah. I'm well happy.
And what about the keel? Because obviously we did a lot on the keel to hull joint and
Yeah,
stuff.
so the only bit that's happened is here. There's a bit of keel, the bit that goes over the keel, I forgot what it's called, like a resin. That's come off there, but everything else is absolutely fine, and there's no rust, and it's not causing any problems with any of the hull.
So will we like sand and fill that, or?
Yeah, I think we'll just do that next year. But it's not absolutely like, it's not a bad thing.
Awesome.
I'm just gonna like pull the, do you know, a halyard into the mast so that the minimal amount is showing. The boats around here, they get absolutely beat up by the sand and the wind. So I thought that's a new halyard, so if we can not age it as fast as possible. So I'm just going to use this, which was off Chris and Jenny. They gave us this roll. So now all we'll have is this little bit here out on show, and we'll stash this away in one of the bags just so it's a bit more protected.
So we're just going to take the main sheet off as well, because this is new, so it's going to end up really dusty. So we're going to try and protect it by taking this off and then putting that yellow line in. Does anyone else think that this looks like Wally?
Yeah.
Or do you know what? It actually does kind of look like E.T. as well.
Also, there's Johnny Five alive.
What we're doing now?
So we're just taping up the rigging.
Yeah.
Just to protect it again. Like, we basically give it a good clean and sprayed WD-40 to kind of get any like moisture droplets and stuff out and clean it from salt. We cleaned it with fresh water, and now we're just taping it up now it's dry, just to offer a little bit more protection.
Fabulous.
If anyone has any tips on any of this, obviously we're absolute novices. We're just going off what we think.
Also, if there's anything we've missed about winterising, it would be good to know for next season.
Yeah, definitely just for next season.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Cool. I'll give you a hand. I got some red tape.
Little bit of alfresco dining.
Oh yeah.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers, everyone.
To an amazing...
To a job well done.
Yeah. It's been a wonderful first season. And the adventure's just beginning.
It is. The next day we said our goodbyes to Chris and Jenny as they headed on their way to Gibraltar. It was awesome getting to meet you guys and spend some time together, and we know we'll see you again soon.
Oh, don't, I wish.
You're going for a ride?
Oh, enjoy. So we've done a little bit of packing, and we're also going to do a little bit of cleaning and tidying. So I'm just going to go and give some of the bathroom a wipe over and a little tidy. Nothing too serious though.
I'm doing admin.
Jade's sorting out like check-ins and like getting to the airport, insurance for when we get back home, little bits and bobs like that. So yeah, all systems are a go. I've just put away our EcoWorks stuff all in this little locker. It's been absolutely brilliant this season.
We have a cat now. Is that cat litter?
It is cat litter. We don't have a cat, but the plan is, I don't know whether this is a life hack or what, but it absorbs moisture. So I've already put it in a sock, and I'm just gonna put it in there and hope that it keeps the areas dry, because I think that's how it works. And I'm also gonna put it in like little Tupperware tubs open, and yeah, hopefully this will work. If it does work, I'll let everyone know, and it might be a good little hack.
And if it doesn't work, then we're gonna get a cat.
I don't think we could have a cat, honestly.
Aww.
Sorry to be
What about a dog?
No, sorry.
Aww.
Our boat's so small.
An iguana?
Iguana.
A lizard?
We can get a lizard.
We'll go steal one when we see one.
You can't steal a lizard, but you know, if one just so happens to come aboard and we sail.
Oh, crack on. I'm just finishing off sorting out in here. I'm just packing the bits in here, and then I'm going to start packing the clothes that we're leaving here to protect them. So we've got a bunch of these vacuum seal bags, and we're just going to pop everything in there. Guys, I've got to tell you, gas just ran out, our cooking gas just ran out, and the sun has almost gone in, so it's not going to cook food now. And we haven't eaten yet, so what's on the menu tonight? You're all going to hate this, I'm sorry. cold tin of beans, and we've got some bread left, so we're gonna have bread dipped in oil, balsamic vinegar. That's it. Could be worse.
Yeah, it could be worse. Because you win it, like...
You're scared of chess, that's why.
No.
That's why you don't want to play it. I scared you last time, you don't want to ruin your reputation. I scared you, didn't I, when I almost beat you. Now you're a chicken. What are you doing now?
I'm just going to cut up some cloth and stuff it in the through holes.
For the seacocks.
For the seacocks, that's it.
And is that the last stage of wintering, packing up for the winter?
Pretty much, I think so, yeah.
Awesome.
Obviously we're still staying in it tonight, but yeah, tomorrow morning we'll lift everything to air it, but...
Let's do this.
I think we're done.
This is it. Bryn, this is the last evening that we're going to see in Almerimar for months.
Mental. Absolutely
Crazy.
mental. And what a beautiful sky it is as
It's
well.
gorgeous, isn't it?
That's flamingos.
No, it's not.
It is, that's a flock of flamingos.
I hope I'm getting it. A flock of flamingos.
There's about 50 flamingos there. Mental.
Beautiful. Yeah, I think, guys, we're about packed up and we're going to go to sleep shortly, and I think we're good to go.
Yeah, just doing some last minute bits. But...
Good night, guys, and we'll see you in the morning. Boy. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you tune in next week as we pack up Talisman and say goodbye for the winter.